Is this $50 camping toolkit from Costco worth it? Let's find out. So if you take a look at this, you can see that there's a hatchet, a whistle and flint, a shovel, and a knife. So this is from Costco. I don't know how good of quality Costco's camping stuff is, but in this video we're gonna find out. It is the SOG brand, and they call it the Ultimate Camping Kit. We'll see about that. Wait, why is there a tear here? That doesn't seem right. I wonder what the back looks like. What is this? They drew all over it. What is this?
Those YouTube trolls.
I'm going to unbox this and see what it looks like. You know what? I'm just gonna make this process faster. And here is what it looks like out of the box. Man, this was so hard. It was so hard to get out. I poked my pinky finger. The blade of the hatchet is 6.3 inches and the overall length is 12.25 inches. The blade of the knife is 4 inches. The overall length of the shovel is 18.25 inches. Of course, a flint and a whistle here. And there is an extra box right here. It's the sheath for the axe. So here is what everything looks like in its seats or in its place. Here is the shovel. Here is the axe and the knife. And here is the flint.
Flint and steel.
It comes with a glass breaker, so if you have to, you can like jab at a window if you're stuck in a car. Another thing is a whistle at the end. Then when you open this, here's the ferro rod inside. That I find interesting is when you take the glass breaker off, inside here, there is fuzzy little tender in there. And here we got their foldable shovel and has a serrated edge, so you can take down little twigs with it. I think it'll be efficient for taking down twigs for firewood. Let's see how it does with digging. I don't want to dig down too far because I don't want to ruin this campsite, but yeah, I think it works pretty good. So here's the knife. I like the feel of it, and I like the sheath. I like the handle, and the blade is amazingly sharp. That looks amazing. I honestly didn't think it would look this great, but I want to test it out. So I'm gonna get into the stick and see how it works out. Look at that. A piece of paper. I've used this piece of paper already, so let's see how it cuts through. Fantastic. I honestly didn't think that the knife would be this good. And finally, we have the hatchet. The hatchet is easy to put in and out. Axes are very important. Ever read Hatchet before? It's a very good book. I recommend it. I'll link that book in the description below. It's a very amazing book. So let's test this on twigs. I'm not ready to chop firewood with this exactly yet. I think it's strong enough for that, but I'm not ready for that yet. So axe with digging tool and rope cutter. Pretty amazing. Axe, fire starter, knife, and foldable shovel. What do I think about this? Honestly, I think it's an amazing choice for beginners. For people who are doing like chopping firewood thing, I think you'll want a longer axe with a wooden handle with the grains running parallel with the handle. But for a beginner or just basic firewood splitting, I think that it's a good option. The knife is amazing. I think it's one of the best knives I've ever gotten so far. Like I expected the knife to be good, but I didn't expect it to be this good. Like, it's crazy how good it is. The shovel, I've had better, but it's pretty good. And the fire starter, pretty good, especially for beginners. The one thing I was surprised with that it actually had tinder up here. One thing I wish it would have had was, like, if you could unscrew this here Oh wait, can you? Oh, actually you can. So you could take the whistle part off and you can use it to strike the ferro rod. So for the $50 Costco Ultimate Camping Kit, would I say that it's worth the money? Yes, especially for beginners. Experts that already have all this gear, maybe as a backup. But for like professional work, I don't know. I'm going to have to test it out and do more adventures with these tools, but right now I think it's pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope I can see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.